Candle makers wouldn't want you to learn this. But in this video, we'll show you how to make those beautiful aromatic candles from home. And after this, we will show you 5 secrets and uses of candles that very few people know. But the first process of making aromatic candles is to melt common candles in a pot over low heat until they melt completely. Then, remove the wick and wait a minute for them to cool slightly. Now, pour the melted wax into containers. You can make as much as you want by melting more common candles and having more containers. Now is the time to personalize your candles. Add cloves to your liking in the first container and mix with red dye. In the second, add a teaspoon of essential oil, fragrant and green dye, mixing well. In the last container, incorporate your preferred scent and dye disinfectant, making sure to mix properly. Finally, place the wicks reserved in the containers with the wax and let them harden. These homemade aromatic candles will last at least a month with a lasting aroma. And that shouldn't end there. Did you know that candles have many hidden uses beyond simply providing light and nice aroma? 1. Place a lit candle next to the chopping board to avoid tears when chopping onions. The flame will help to neutralize the onion's fumes, which are what cause tears. 2. To prevent pins and needles from getting lost, use your homemade candle as a guard. 3. You can seal the edges of tiles to prevent them from getting dark and stained. Simply rub a candle on the joints of the tiles. 4. To prevent zippers from getting stuck, rub a candle on the zipper's teeth. The wax will create a lubricant that will help the zipper to glide smoothly. 5. If you grate candle wax into a container and add olive oil to it, melt the wax and oil mixture and apply it to your feet before bed. Cover your feet with socks and leave the wax on overnight. This will help to soften and remove the hard skin. If you like this video, follow us and watch other videos we have made to learn something new today.